Stop,
Before
don't
you
start your
buy
weight
gym
loss
clothes
journey without this.
or start doing 100 squats, stop. The first step to losing weight is not exercise, it is understanding your body. Hi, Amada. I currently started at 112 kg and I'm currently at 104 kg. Right now, I'm still fluctuating, which is fine because it's a journey towards a lifestyle change, so it's not a quick fix. As a beginner, I think most of us miss this before we start our fitness journey, which is the very first thing you're supposed to do: study your own body. Study your own body, not another person's body, your own body. The mistake of not studying my body made me waste 3 months when I started my gym, my fitness journey. Wasted 3 months, no, not seeing any results at all. Why did I say study your body? Study your body because even if you're following what someone else is doing online, the truth is that their body is different from what your body is. So you might not see, the same results as the person is seeing it. So I stopped everything I was doing, the gym, the jogging, and all. I had to study my body. So what does it mean to study your body? You might ask, what are the things I should check when studying my body? Now let me help you out here. Number one is monitor your routine and check your patterns on a daily basis. For me, number one, I discovered my sleeping pattern was bad. I sleep by 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. within that time bracket. And I work 9 to 5, and I have to wake up and start preparing for work, which would not work for anybody. Sleep is a very important factor when you're trying to lose weight. And of course, this affected me in the mornings because I couldn't wake up to jog or do a few bit of minor exercises. I just had to rush. It's Lagos. I had to rush and prepare for work. Your daily 2K is important. Two, I discovered that I have sweet mouth. I loved carbonated drinks, berry blast, Maryland biscuits, name it. I loved all those things, and I felt I couldn't just eat my food like that without having all those things. Do you get? I don't know, some of my sweet tooth lovers. You see, boku bread. Ah, boku is a very nice bread, no doubt, but not for me. I had to cut it out. I mean, as much as it's nice and sweet, but we have a goal here. You name it, so many, even snacks. In fact, I can use snacks with what's it called, parfait or one of these other sweet things as my night food. Just imagine doing that as my night food, and I satisfied myself. It was nice for me. Three, I was afraid of getting hungry. I just wanted to always eat. You know, if sakba don't hold you before, you just don't want to get hungry. You want to eat as much as so that if you don't see food, if you don't see food, you go still survive. But I mean, life doesn't actually work that way because even if you eat all the whole drum of food you want to eat, you still get hungry. So that mindset, you have to drag it away. Now again, I understand the concept of body positivity. I get it. In fact, I used to be a fan of men. People love me the way I am and all of that. But the truth was that on my own case, when I looked in the mirror, I didn't like what I was seeing, and that was what mattered most. You get, if you like yourself, I mean, that's perfectly fine. But then the real thing about this whole weight loss thing is that when you look at the mirror, do you like what you see? It's not about any other person's opinion or what the world sees or what people are telling you. Do you personally like what you see? If you like what you see, fine. But if you don't like what you see, it's time to do something about it. I discovered the fifth one. I discovered that anytime I take custard, I had constipation. Whether I made the custard watery or whether it was whatever form it was, custard gave me constipation. I thought it was a joke until I medically asked, and they said yes, for some people custard gives them constipation. I had to take laxatives to even get back to myself. Like, it was that bad for me. I don't take custard anymore. I stopped it. It's not for everybody, but then that's why I said study your body. You can only know these things when you study your body and what you eat and how it affects you after eating. Also, I discovered taking carbs alone gave me a similar thing to constipation. Get it? Taking carbs alone. I didn't say not taking carbs. When you eat just rice or just spag or just yam, taking carbs alone without maybe veggies, fiber, and co. Taking carbs alone gave me symptoms of constipation, and constipation like ish wise. And then it was during that process I discovered that I had slow metabolism. My body takes time to break down food and digest food. Lord have mercy. My body takes time to break down food, digest food. I noticed it during that time, unlike so many other people. And one thing that annoyed me most, which is the eighth point, I couldn't climb the stairs without panting. I couldn't even, run a distance I couldn't even skip. I couldn't lift weight. I couldn't skip up to 10. Can you imagine? Without stopping. Everything was just sluggish. Even the way I was walking, everything was just I don't know, some of you might understand what I mean by that, but I mean, if you get it, you get it. I got tired of going to gym, do 1 month, stop, because I didn't understand and like what I was doing. And besides, it was just not giving me what I want, you get. Also, the aspect of the mindset of wanting quick, sharp results. My dear, if you want permanent weight loss, forget sharp results. If you want permanent, if you want it to be consistent, if you want it to keep going, fast results will not get you there. This is coming from somebody who has taken Ozempic, semaglutide, tirzepatide, name it. I know the name. I have taken it. It works. You will reduce. No doubt. You will reduce. But then, if you don't do all these things I'm saying now and then have a change of lifestyle, you're back to square one. That's the truth. You're back to square one. It's very temporary. You just probably have to continue taking injections. I mean, if you want to consistently do it that way. I mean, some people have the money and they can do it, so it's not a big deal actually. So, if you're starting your journey, don't rush. May nobody pressure you. No rush. Study your body. Study your habits. Study your metabolism. Study what triggers you. Study what triggers you is really important. Study what triggers you. This is the first foundation. First foundation before you even start doing anything. So in my next video, all the points I mentioned in this video, I would show you around to hear what works and what doesn't work. And for my fellow people, my ladies and guys that are beyond 100, that are trying to get it, 80, 90, 70, we all will get there. So down below on the comment section, please put out your weight and the goal you want to achieve. And let's do this together. Watch out for my next video.